the most detailed disassembly tutorial for upgrading the SSD and memory of AS1 is here. For friends who still don't know how to disassemble or be afraid to do so, take a look. The first step in disassembling the machine is to prepare the preliminary work. You'll need to prepare a tablecloth or mousepad to protect the computer from scratches, a set of small screwdriver tools, an anti-static wristband, a pry tool. If you don't have an anti-static wristband, you can wash your hands or touch an air pipe to reduce static electricity. If you don't have an pry tool, you can use a useless card instead, and a small box for storing screws. After completing the preliminary work, you can start disassembling the machine. First, remove the back cover. There are 13 screws on the bottom cover, including 4 long screws and 9 short screws. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws and place them in the small box. Then, insert the pry tool into a gap at the edge of the computer. Slowly pry open the clips along the edge. Then, unplug the power cable. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge static electricity. Back to this side, you can see the internal structure of 5-bit AS1 is mainly divided into 2 parts. The upper part contains dual heat pipes, a fan, wireless Wi-Fi, as well as the position of the memory module and the solid-state drive executor. The lower part is distributed with 2 speakers and battery executor. Replace the SSD. Here is an M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 SSD slot. Unscrew the screw, take out the old drive, align the new drive with the interface, insert it firmly, and screw the screw back. Replace memory. The memory slot is above the motherboard. Pry open the clips on both sides, and the old memory will pop up. Insert the new memory at a 45-degree angle. Press it down until the clips lock in place. Then put back the rear cover and tighten the screws in order. The disassembly process for upgrading the SSD and memory of our 5-bit AS1 is completed.